Good morning, friends, and welcome back. I'm Mrs. Gordon, and I'm so glad you are here with me to learn new things. We have been talking about animal habitats. We created a desert habitat, an ocean habitat, and today I want to still talk about another habitat. Is rainforest. Today I want to do a little fun project with you and create an animal mask. So if you have your materials ready, paper plate, construction paper or glue, crayons and markers, let's grab all those things and let's get started. There are two types of rainforests, tropical and temperate. Tropical rainforests are found near the equator. Temperature rainforests are found near coastal areas farther north or south of the equator. Temperate rainforests are cooler than tropical rainforests, but they share many other characteristics, particularly large amounts of precipitation. That's another word for rain. Rainforests can receive more than 2,000 millimeters of rain each year. You probably have seen tropical rainforest plants before and not even realized it. Most common houseplants come from the rainforest. These plants are usually from the middle layer of the rainforest, also known as the understory. These plants are often vines, smaller trees, ferns, or palms. Despite what you may think, they actually don't require much water or sunlight. In fact, they're native rainforest homes. These plants don't get much water or sunlight anyway. The thick top layer, the canopy, prevents their native rainforest homes from these plants. Most of the sunlight from ever reaching the ground. It is made of giant trees that grow to incredibly heights. That means very tall. The bottom layer of the rainforest is covered with wet leaves that decompose quickly. That means disappear. In the moist swarm conditions, bacteria, microorganisms that love these conditions quickly break down dead plant matter, returning the nutrients to the soil. The nutrients are then reabsorbed. That means kind of caught back up by the roots to the plants and the trees that fill the forest. The rainforest is made up of a lot of trees, and there is also a lot of animals in that habitat. Today we are making an animal mask. I'm choosing to use a paper plate. You can choose to either draw one or put other things together to create your mask. I am choosing to make a lion. A lion, you're like, how does a lion live in the rainforest? Well, in different parts of the region, an African lion can live in either the tropical or temperate rainforest. So the lion lives in a temperate rainforest. So I have my plate. It's shaped like a circle. This is going to be the lion's mask. First, I want to choose to glue the eyes. I'm going to make sure this is in the center of my plate. Can you do the same thing? Do those look like two eyes? Lions also have a mouth and nose. When you look at them, they might look like they're together. So at first I'm going to glue this down. This is considered the mouth. And then I'm going to put the nose on top. I'm going to make a couple of dots with a marker because lions have whiskers. I'm choosing to use pipe cleaners as my whiskers. Sometimes you cannot see these because they're real clear and light in color. So I'm going to stick my whiskers here. You can bend them and twist them however you need to. I'm going to tape these down instead. However much material you need, you can use them. I'm going to put some on both sides. Do you have a cat at home? If you look at the cat's face, you might can see their whiskers. Again, you can twist it as much as you need to. And I'm going to tape it down. If you have paint, you can choose to paint your plate first, so your lion or any other animal can have more color. You can be as creative as you want to be. I'm going to spread my whiskers out just a little bit. Now, what is a lion without its mane? So I am going to take these strips of paper and create the lion's mane. I have brown and yellow, but you can choose any color you like. So first, I want to bend my ends down just a little bit so they look a little curly. A lion's mane can be all over, like frizzy, or sometimes it can be curly, depending on the climate that they are in. I'm going to alternate my colors. I'm creating a pattern. Brown, yellow. You can use as glue or tape that you need to hold the mane down. I'm going to keep going around in a circle. My next color would be brown, so I can continue with my pattern. And again, I'm choosing to fold the ends down. Other types of cats that live in the rainforest are tigers. You might see jaguars. All of these are different types of cats that live in the rainforest. What would be my next color? Right, yellow. A lion's mane is special. It has a mane when you know it's a male lion. Most of the female lions do not have a mane, but they are covered in fur. I'm going to keep going around. My next color is brown. I'm choosing to tape mine just so it can stay better. You can also draw a lion if you like to. You can make a circle for the face, 2 circles for the eyes. You can draw a heart for the nose. However creative you can be. This lion is coming right along. How is your mask coming? Are you being creative? Do you think you will play with your mask later to play Animal Kingdom or pretend you're in the rainforest or any kind of other habitat? I also have whiskers, remember that. You can use pipe cleaners or draw them. As I am curling my ends down, I can see my mane coming along. Remember, lions can live not only in a rainforest, but also some live in very hot places. And sometimes they live in other cooler places, depending on the region. When I say region, it's usually the continent, different places around the world. You might live somewhere where it's hot sometimes, or cold sometimes, or just right. I have 2 more strips to complete my animal mask. Remember to do whatever you feel is best for your mask. What colors did you use? What animal did you create? There's all different types of animal. All right. I feel like I am done. Here is my lion, my animal mask made like a lion that lives in the temperate rainforest. You did such amazing work today creating a rainforest animal mask with me today. I hope you had so much fun creating whichever animal you chose. Again, I chose a lion that lives in the temperate rainforest. Maybe you did a tiger or any other tropical animal that lives there, even birds. And remember, rainforests are mostly made up of trees and plants, and they receive a lot of rain. Grab your nearest adult, show them what you did today, or have them help you. Until next time, I wish you well.